to welcome you to this month's edition of the Safety Minute videos from KLCIS. Today I'm here with Fort Mitchell Fire Department and Firefighter Smiley. We're going to talk about some ladder safety tips and just how to address ladder safety in your organization.
Okay, so a couple of things. Number one, you want to make sure you get the right ladder for the right job. There's a couple ladders you can choose from. You have an extension ladder, you have an A-frame ladder, and then you have this combination ladder. Before you begin to use any ladder though, you want to check and make sure that it is okay to use. Some of the things you want to check for are, you want to look over the rungs, make sure that they're not cracked or broken, make sure they're secure. Down here at the bottom of the ladders, you want to check the feet. Likewise, you want to make sure that they are secured and there's nothing there that may prohibit it from standing in a secured to the floor. Sometimes you may have some gunk built up on there which may cause it to slide. It also may not be able to sit level on the ground. If you're using a ladder for painting, try to keep from getting the paint on the markings over here. These markings are going to let you know what type of ladder it is, what it's rated for, and it's going to give you some tips for its use as well. On fire department ladders, we have heat sensors. Since this is aluminum and can be exposed to heat, we want to make sure that these heat sensors are okay. If these heat sensors are normal, if it has been exposed to high heat, they will turn black like this. This lets us know that a lot of heat has been applied to this ladder and should not be used, or exposed to, and it should not be used. Climbing angles, if you look on the ladder, it will show you right here the proper climbing angle. They also have these, or should have these, on these ladders as well. When you're using these A-frame ladders, you do not want to get above the last step. You want to make sure that these are locked in place, and you do not use this side of the ladder. Okay, one of the things that we check for with ladders is the load rating. Load rating is your weight plus any additional equipment you may be carrying up the ladder. They will be printed on the side, on a sticker on the side of the ladder. This one is a type 1A with a rating of 300 pounds. And you can find that same information along this sticker as well. Alright, before you begin to climb a ladder, you want to make sure you have the proper footwear. Make sure your shoes are non-slip. When you are on the ladder, you want to maintain 3 points of contact as you are ascending the ladder and descending the ladder. Also, you want to make sure when you put a ladder up against the building that if you are especially using an aluminum ladder or any other type of ladder, stay away from electrical lines.
I'd like to thank Fort Mitchell Fire Department, Firefighter Smiley for helping out with this month's Safety Minute video. Please be sure before you use the ladders that you do a thorough inspection. We've seen injuries where these things will slide out from underneath people when they're up on elevated areas, and the injuries can be substantial. So take the time to inspect your ladders, put them on a regular inspection schedule, even if they're not being used. If they're exposed to the weather, you want to inspect them prior to use. Thank you again to the fire department here, and there's more safety videos if you go to the klc.org website and look at our YouTube channel for the Kentucky League of Cities, and you'll find numerous other topics. Thank you again.